Okay guys, now in case you have this sample, as you can see, silent please. If you can see, we have an adult with gender. So I'm going to see, for example, as I told you, prolactin between male and female. So I'm going to study, and I want to study, I will change my sample to two parts, male and female. So in that case, these two groups, do you think the prolactin in male will affect the prolactin's rate in the female or not? Huh? Affect? No. So it's called what? This group is called what? Independent. They are free. First group cannot do anything or affect anything with the second one. So they are both free. In that case, we call them independent. And maybe the number of men, as you can see from here, directly quickly, the number of men may be different with the number of females. So it means that maybe you have a, what do you call? You have, look, we have 15, 9 male, 6 female, right? We have an N1 and N2. So they are not affect each other. Am I right, guys? Because we have two independent. But if they are dependent, something wrong. So I'm going to analyze again, comparing mean, which one I should select in your opinion? Independent, right? Independent. Now we have an independent. Which with which? Yeah, I want to test the prolactins. I want to test adult's age. I want to test whatever I have. With what? With a categorical one, nominal one, or ordinal one. Put it here, okay, guys? So I'm going to select adult to here, gender to the grouping variable. But you can see that OK is not activated right now. It means that there's something wrong, right? We need to fix. So what? We need to define group. I want to define group. How we define group? I don't know. In first lecture, if you remember that, we say if you have a nominal or ordinal, you need to give the value. Because SPSS can deal only with numbers. So how many value do we have here? How many value? 1 and 2. So that's why when I'm going to analyze to the compare mean independent sample test, when I'm going to define my group, I need to define number 1 and number 2. Maybe you have a marital status, we have a 5 levels, right? Widow, married, single, divorced, I don't know. You got, guys? Okay, Kaka? So continue. Now is okay. Then everything is clear for you, I know. You can see also we can use F-test. You remember that in chapter 6. But right now we are not going to F-test. Our duty will be with this T, and with the degree of freedom, and that tail. Okay, guys? So again, you have a 2 tail and 1 tail. So tell me about that one. If you have this p-value, do you think we reject the hypothesis or not? Or null hypothesis? Huh? We don't reject because not less than or equal to 0.05. How do you know it's 0.05? Because it's written. So we have a 1, 2, 3 important cells in each table. Am I right? In each hypothesis test. So you have an independent hypothesis test. You got it, guys? I think it's easy. Do you have any question about it? Hello? Any need? And of course, you can find your mean. Our mean number 1, if you remember, T was equal to what? Mean number 1 minus mu number 2. Sorry, not mu. X bar number 1 minus X bar number 2 over square root of S1 over N1 plus S2 over N2. Then you get what? Then you get T value. Am I right? Hello? Then you get T value. Now, directly you get T value. And also you have a P value. And also you have a what do you call? Alpha. And everything is clear for you. Any difficulty? I think it's easy. Do you have any question? Guys? Yalla, now practice.